I feel like for building muscle and for staying lean in the process, training in the morning and then breaking your fast after your workout in the morning is just phenomenal. A couple days a week. You don't even have to do it all the time, not every single day. The caveat to that is if you don't train in the morning, you want to adjust to be breaking your fast whenever your workout is over. So I said that in that video because I work out in the morning, and I know most of the people that listen to me or watch me probably do as well because I preach it so much. But if you work out in the afternoon, you work out in the evening, you should schedule your fast as such so that you break your fast at the end of your workout. So now that I've got that out of the way, egg whites absolutely can be a lean protein. I usually steer people away from breaking their fast with egg whites because it's the albumin, the egg white. If you look at a lot of ALCAT scores and a lot of food sensitivities testing, you generally find that people will have a stronger immune reaction or an allergy or histamine response to egg whites than they do to yolks. Now, if you look at like AIP, autoimmune paleo, like some of these protocols, they usually have people introduce egg yolks before they ever do introduce egg whites because they're, for lack of a better term, less inflammatory. I use that a little bit loosely, but that being said, of course, if you feel good eating them and they don't cause you an issue, then there's nothing wrong with it. Personally, if I break a fast with egg whites, I gain like 3 pounds in water weight over like the next 6 hours. It's really wild, just because I have a weird response to that. And a lot of other people do too, my wife included. So again, yes, a great lean protein if you can react okay with it. Otherwise, I would suggest going with a poultry, simply because when you break a fast with poultry, you get a good amount of thiamine, so you actually get the proper utilization and proper glucose utilization in the body too. And then you want to try to wait about 30 minutes after your workout to when you eat that meal, just because you are going to get a little bit more fat burning that occurs just because of the post-exercise oxygen consumption after a workout. So yeah, first thing in the morning, you can have your coffee before you work out. That way you're going to mobilize a little bit more of the fat, finish your workout 30 minutes later, lean protein. If you are doing carbohydrates, it wouldn't be a bad time to have carbohydrates too. And I say that because some people do fasting with keto, some people don't. So you'd want to have very, very lean carbohydrates, something like red potato or just a microwave or oven baked, just a regular russet potato. Super lean, just get the starch in.